Hello my friends, welcome to Calabash Green SLU product review. This is another package that I got from Temu. As usual, before I open it up, I always like to feature the products that I get from Temu. So let's see what came in this package. And again, as usual, I'm not sponsored. This is a small package, just stuff for myself and my home that I ordered. So let's dive in and see what came in the package. Okay, this here is a chopper, like a vegetable chopper. Oh, the box is all crushed. I'm only hoping that it's okay. Oh, there it is. Vegetable chopper. Goes in this way. This goes to the bottom. And you're able to put your stuff in and press it through. So I'm going to try this one out and we'll see how it goes. So it's a vegetable chopper. You could chop your onions, your garlic, your potato, your carrots. I'll put the price so that you would be able to see how much I paid for it. I'm going to put the price right here. Okay, let's see what else again we've got. Okay. Well, this one is a kids swimming pool. It's so hot these days, so I decided to get a swimming pool for the kids. It's a mini one. What I will just open it up and it's filled with water. Then I'll be able to show you guys exactly how it is and the dimensions. It's a kids swimming pool. And this here, oh, this is just a cable for my computer. So I could just attach this to the hard drive that I have. And this USB goes to the computer so that I'll be able to retrieve all the stuff that I have on the data drive. Because I bought a new data drive for my computer. So I just want to retrieve some of the stuff that I have on the old one. So I'm just going to push this in the old hard drive, like, see, this is the old hard drive from the computer. So I'm just gonna fit it in here. Right, it goes in this way, and this bit I plug onto the computer, so I'll be able to get all the information that is stored on that hard drive, because I had to get a new one for space for my computer. Okay, let's see what else again we've got. Oh, this one is a blade. It's like a saw blade. Wow, it's like a folding saw. Beautiful. I love this one. So you could just open it up. Okay, so it has the safety handle here. You have to switch it this way, and then you could open it up and it locks in place. You could use this to saw wood. You could also use it if you have a tree in the yard. Cut some of the branches off. You could actually use this. This does a good job. It's called a multi-purpose handsaw. And you could also use it for trimming and pruning of hedges in the garden. Hold the safety lock and then you close it in and it locks in place. So I'm going to put the price so that you're able to see how much I paid for this. And there's just one more item. As I said, guys, it's a small package. And as usual, you know I always like to get shoes. So this is another pair of shoes that I got. It's like a pair of walking shoes. So there it is. See the size. This is a 42, my size, and as usual I always look for the good grips in case of when it's rainy or muddy weather. I'm able to use it without fear of falling. Beautiful. There it is. So let's take a look at this vegetable chopper. Let's see how it works. So I'm going to dice some onions and carrots. Let's see how effective it is. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for viewing, and look out for some more videos on Temu.